This
Yeah,
conference
great.
will now be recorded.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
As Manu sir told, I am into placement since all these years. I have 12 to 14 years of experience in placement. I think I am very interactive with you people. I don't want a session like whenever I am telling something, you are hearing something. I don't want a session like that. It should be an interactive session. I want you guys to interact with me. Whatever you feel, whatever it may be, don't feel that it is relevant or irrelevant. Whatever you feel regarding a company, regarding a interview, whatever it may be, please post me. I will definitely answer you. The first thing I want to tell you that uh, placements. We are into placement since all these years. I think all are you from engineering background, right? Even though you are not from engineering background, I don't bother. The thing is that even you are from different backgrounds, for your final destination is placement. Hopefully. Thank you, Chandrabanu sir, for providing this opportunity. We all
thank
know that how company recruits people. This is the first thing I want to discuss you guys with the first thing is that I want to discuss you that how company recruits you guys. Coming to
sir.
engineering
Sir,
background,
small. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Small interruption. Your video is vertical, sir. Can you please make it horizontal, sir?
it is
It's
horizontal,
vertical.
right?
Yeah. Just would like to have. Yes, sir.
Is it okay now?
Not yet, sir. Still. Yes, sir. Now it's perfect, sir. Now it's
Uh,
perfect.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you, thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Uh, is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Perfect, sir.
Thank you. The first question being whenever you entered into any school, your final destination is completing your 10th studies. Whenever you are entering into the college, your destination is either to enter into a engineering field, into a whatever it may be, MBBS field, whatever. Once you entered into the engineering field, whatever the profession, engineering degree, whatever your final destination is job. Am I right? The thing is that once you got we entered into the engineering field or whatever it may be a degree field, your final destination is job. The perfect thing is that you are when you people are thinking when we will be placed or not, but the companies are suffering a lot. Companies require more than 20, 30, each company. I am not telling a bulk of companies. Each company requires at least 10 to 15,000 people every year, but they are not in a position to get the people. Hopefully, from Andhra, they are getting some people. From Tamil Nadu, they are getting people. From North, the education is very good in Andhra. The thing is that whenever you entered into the engineering field, don't don't think that the placements will come in the final year. We will start studying or we will do the arrangements from the final year. It is not your exam. Some of the people they may think that if it is an exam, we can study the last minute and we can write the exam. It is not that type. Whenever you entered engineering, you need to have a goal. If you want to crack the interviews, you should be very, very, very perfect about what you are learning. The first thing, whenever the company is, I want to give a small clarification. Whenever the company is to the college, the first thing they will see from you is that while you people are from 200, 300 bunch people, first the scrutinization level happens at the academic level. They will choose some what we call percentage. I need people with 65 above people. I need people with 70% above people. That is the primary strategy whenever a company looks from a individual student. Once you are there with your aggregate, you will be shortlisted for the primary level of interview. It would be what for every company, whatever it may be the company, the first level of interview is a written test, which comprises of aptitude. It's a general aptitude, general English awareness, general passage reading, and general technical terms, some small technical terms. Once you got cleared with the written test, you will be entered into the technical round. Technical round is that you are asked some, you are not that much, being a fresher, any company, they don't need any specific in-depth knowledge of any knowledge, any in-depth knowledge of any technology. Any company, they look at the people who don't have any attitude with them, first thing, who will dress correctly, and who will address all the managerial problems, who will manage the things. That's the perfect thing. Even a guy with 90% of his aggregate is not in a position to select for a company. Even a guy with a 70% also, he will be getting the jobs. Why? Because the only reason is that active. You should be active, more active towards your interview. You should be, even though you are with 90% of aggregate, lot of students, they are failed to succeed the interviews. Even 70% guys are very succeed. Why? Because the only thing is that you should know the basic things, how to manage the thing, how to attend the interview, how you should dress, your dress behavior should be correct, your attitude should be good. Whenever you are entering into the room, you need to thank the guy, you need to wish the guy. There are some basic things are there. If time permits, I will definitely will let you know all these things. The only whenever the company comes to you, they will look at the basic things. Remember, you are hired by a company only as a fresher. You are not hired by a company as a 3 years, 4 years experienced guy. Being a fresher, the company people definitely look at the people, how is your approach towards the interview. This is the main basic thing. Whatever, all the companies look at the people, they don't look at the in-depth knowledge of anything. First, the thing is, once you got cleared with the technical, then you will be straight away sent to the HR. It is a simple different thing. Being a fresher, hiring, HR interview means nothing. They will just explain you the things, salary packages and all. Not more than that. That the only question is that you need to clear the written test at the first level. You need to clear the technical round at the second level. HR interview, it will be very easy to you. This is the thing happening anywhere, anywhere in engineering college since all these years. Fortunately, unfortunately, you are very blessed to say that since last year, since 2019, all the major company recruitments was done through online. Only through, don't bother about, I am again and again telling you, don't bother about your college. Sir, I am from Cuba College. I am not getting the placement. Sir, I am from so and so college. I am not getting the placement. The total scenario changed since 2019. All the major 12 companies, Infosys, Wipro, Virtusa, TCS, all the Intel, all the major companies switched to online pattern. Wherever you are studying, where you should possess minimum aggregate to to write the test. Test in the sense, even some people, they are keeping TCS, for example, take TCS, they are keeping a nodal center in one, in all the, whatever you call, in every district, they are keeping a nodal center and they are conducting the test. Once the people shortlisted, they are inviting them to the company for the final level of interview. So don't bother about your college regarding placement. It is done actually from since 2019, all the placement. Whoever feel that I am eligible for the placements, they are attending the placement. Since before 3 years, it's a different scenario. One big college is there. I'm telling, I will speak openly. Don't feel about that. Some 3 years back, the scenario is different. Some big college will get the big companies to them, and they are showcasing that lot of companies visited our campus. But the scenario is total different here. Wherever the company, wherever the students are there, we are sending them the database of the even companies are asking for the whole TPOs or whatever colleges to send their database of the students with their aggregates. Fine. You are scrutinized by the company in the first level only by aggregate. You are not scrutinized by the company based on your college. It is totally done. Since 2 years, it is happening like this. And the second level is that they are keeping a test, and at the third level, they are interviewing the people, and I think even though the first main thing I want to tell you is that even CTS and TCS, whoever got hired by TCS and TCS in the year 2020 academic, they are already onboarded. Even though they didn't completed their exams, they have started sharing the PPTs, and they are started their work. Training program was started already for the 2020 batch who got placed in CTS and TCS. This is the main scenario happening. And I think a lot of guys are all you guys from engineering. Don't bother about your placement. Don't blame your colleges regarding the placement. It's up to you. If you are worth enough, you will be placed. Don't the total scene is different since 2 years. Whatever I told. If you are having that much capable in getting a company, in getting through with the company, you are there. You are placed. That's it. No need to bother about your colleges. This is the first thing I want to tell you. Then the second thing is you must possess your own skills. You should have that much own knowledge on your skills. Don't underestimate anything, even aptitude, whatever before I told with you. People who are very keen in getting the companies, better to go with indiabix.com. Why? Because all the latest two old question papers are available with indiabix.com. You just search the name of the company, TCS, TTS, whatever it may be. You will get a bunch of question papers, latest question papers to old question, whatever it may be. All the 3-4 years question papers you will get. Better to go with that and search with that, and you can start your own. That's the main thing I want to tell with you. This is the first primary thing I want to discuss with you. Being a placement officer since all these days, I'm again and repeatedly telling, don't bother that Corona is there. The best thing I want to share with you is that all the companies fresher hiring will be increased to 40%. Why? Because all the companies, whenever a company want to hire a big person, they need to pay 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh per each candidate. In spite of that, people are going for fresher recruitment, giving you 25 to 30K, and recruiting you will be more beneficial than getting a company and working with him with a salary of 2 lakhs. It's a 100% secret. It's an open secret. Don't in coming years also, freshers, whoever with a good knowledge will be definitely placed. Don't bother about that. I think you will be benefited by Corona. It's 100% true. It's 100% true. People who having a lot of experiences, people are who don't have that much knowledge also 15 years back, 20 years back, however they got a job and they are, however they are, what we can say, they are managing the job, they definitely be shooted out. But the people with pressure with a good knowledge always definitely be placed. It's my 100% challenge. Uh, if I want to tell something, it may go around like that. If you have any queries, you can post me. I will definitely let you know. Don't hesitate, whatever it may be. I don't want to bother about your question. I will definitely answer your question.
Sir, on behalf of some of the students, first let me
Yeah,
start with myself, sir, so that the others will get confidence, so that they'll
yeah,
also
yeah,
be
yeah.
asked. Sir, there are few people. Let me start from the first year, sir. There are few people who are young aspirants who have completed their intermediate education and they are
Yeah.
about to join their first year of BTech. So now, what
Okay.
is the? My first question is, what is the criteria of choosing a college? The first one. Then the second question is, what are all the branches? Like, say, a few people say that, sir, computer science is better or computer engineering is better. Like yesterday itself, you can see there on the screen. Mr. Tejeshwar Reddy has called me and he was asking me, like, say, is the computer science better or computer engineering better, or rather ECE better? So where we'll have opportunities and all. So because you will be a very authentic person to clarify that particular thing, sir. So that's the reason I'm asking you on that particular aspect. There are many people who are young aspirants over here, like Tejeshwar, Manu Karthik, and Akanksha. So all of them are rather about to join their engineering rather. So can you please guide them in a proper way? That's the first year students, sir. Then we will go for second, third, and four final years.
Definitely. Don't take in a wrong way.
Sir,
I'm very, it's my bold answer. The first thing is that people are in a perception that only some branches are good, some branches are not good. It's just their perception, first thing. But in coming to real scenario, CSE, whenever the company, whenever I am again and telling boss, whenever the company is coming to a college, they will treat all the circuit branches in the same way. CSE, ECE,
hello. Yes, sir. Sir, not yet able to hear.
okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Don't bother about that. It's just a perception. Whenever in coming to placement point of view, all the circuit branches having same weightage. EC,
Yes.
CSE, triple E, same weightage. And coming to mechanical civil, it's a different task. Mechanical civil, the people who are keen in core subjects, some people civil, some people, I think they have their they have their mind, clean mind that they want to become a civil engineer. It's their wish. Being from childhood, they want to become a civil engineer. It's their wish. Mechanical engineer, it's their wish. I think, but all the circuit branches having equal weightage. But coming to CSE, the course design is very simple. It is very easy to pass. I am telling it, it's a bold. What if you took the CSE subject, being a engineering graduate, it is very easy syllabus to them. So, lot of people in and around it, around us, they will prefer CSE because it is very easy to pass and easy to score and easy to get a job. It's the second thing, but as a point of view, ECE, CSE, triple E, all the three branches having equal weightage. Coming to interview point of view, same thing. But CSE, a bit, the course design is very easy to crack the papers. That's it.
Sir, most of the people have small fear in such a way that CSC will have more company exposure rather than the other branches, core branches. Like say, I'll just give a small context, sir. Like TCS will invite or CTS will invite exclusively CSC guys. Only a few AAA and DC guys need to get. They have very feeble chances with software IT industry and all. How far it is true and how far it is viable to rather just say that.
Yes. The thing is that TCS won't call CSC people. TCS won't call only ECE people. TCS or CTS will call people with an aggregate of 70% in engineering. Again and again telling. But CSC people are it's an exclamation mark there. CSC people, more chances are there for CSC people. Why? Because starting from the first year, these people, they are studying their basics of C, basics of Java, OOPS, whatever it is there in the question paper, all the basics of the, even cracking the code. Some of the question papers, they need to crack the code. Being a CSC guy, it's just a perception that he may be easy to crack the code. That's it. Even it's a true fact that last year from 84 members got selected to TCS from Narayana Group. Around 52 guys from ECE. It is not that only CSC guys are selecting, equal chances, but the course curriculum is already designed for CSC people to get a software job. Being an ECE guy, if you have taken ECE as a subject, you need to have that much attention towards the technologies, new technologies, and cracking the codes. That's it.
Sir, the other question that I just would like to ask is coming to final year, sir. Then we'll move to second and third years. There are few people from final years and third years also. They've completed their engineering background from Chennai. They're about to complete or might be completing, and they've done Java, C, C++ from me rather. So how would be the opportunities and how should they search for it? Because you know that companies campus placements it seems so might be that much not rosy as what we have here. So most of them have completed from Chennai, of course, yet to join few other people. There are few people here or here in this meeting who have completed their things. So what about the prospects for them, sir? From Chennai.
Yeah. Wherever he is from, in Chennai, lot of companies. If you got placed through campus, good, well and good. If you are not done with the campus placement, you should be keep on searching the websites, job portals for the fresher recruitment. The thing is that it's true that only 30% of the place pool are placed in campus. Rest of the 70, out of 70, almost all 50% of the people are being placed through off-campus placement. He should know the company. He should be in touch with all the job portals. Regularly, all the companies are posting their walking interviews. Now the technology is very good. Lot of WhatsApp groups are there. Lots, even wherever the company they are getting some job requirements, they are posting it in their WhatsApp portals or through their job portals like Monster, Naukri, whatever it may be. Wherever he had done his engineering, he can search the job portal. He will definitely apply it. He will definitely get a job. But rather than campus placement, off-campus drives are very beneficial to the guys. Why? Because the chances are very more. Here, the people, soon after finishing his campus placement, he need to undergo another semester and he need to pass the thing and he will come to the company. But the thing is different. Ready here, once he got placed through an off campus, he will be ready to get a job and he may be ready to join.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Sir, thanks for this very valuable information. Number two is for the second years and third years, just would like to ask you one small question, sir. So, what is the
Yeah.
right thing to upgrade themselves? Say all of them are upgraded with technology. Like say many of them are doing it. See, many people are from Amrita, many people are from BITS Pilani, many people are from IITs. There are IITians also here. They're getting
Yeah.
upgraded through technologies. What are the other skills to enhance? I mean, to enhance themselves rather. Even not only for these guys, for all. And there are a few people from Sri Vidyaniketan, Tirupati. So how do they rather improvise their skills and skill sets other than
Sir,
technology?
yeah. The first basic thing I am continuously telling you that he should be more energetic. He should be more positive towards his approach. First thing. First thing. Why? Because I already told you that being a fresher, no one will go depth into their skills. No one will come in and write a client program stating this and this. Nothing will come. But the question is that coming to company's requirement, according to company's requirement, the questionnaire may vary. Latest technology, some people, even some of the companies, they are looking for mainframes which was outdated since all these years. You know that. But some
Yes.
of the companies are still working in mainframe. They need guys with a good knowledge in mainframe. But even though he is not that much perfect in managing the things, he should be very one who need to get placement. He should be very clean, that he should have in-depth knowledge in the basic, whatever it may be, in a C, Java, .NET, whatever it basic should be done, and he is there in a position to code, to crack the code. That's the main basic thing. Being a final year guy, he should crack the code or at least try the algorithm. More than enough.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, and what about the hackers rank, sir? Is it useful for them for all these people? Hackers rank site.
Hackers rank site is, I think, again and again telling that CSP, what we can tell, cyber security, it is there, it is useful, it's a different task, but the thing is that all the whatever hacking is there, cyber security is there, whatever is there, all the technologies have equal opportunities. We need to search for them. That's it.
Yes, sir. Sir, one question, and then I'll hand over it to all our students, so they'll be ready
Yes,
to
yes.
ask. Sir, my question is that how far their resumes reflect their job opportunities? Is it very
Definitely.
important, or how should be how they should rather prepare it, and what is the right time to prepare? Is it in the third year or fourth year, or when to do so? Because they're in confused state. So, do we need to use any templates, and what is that it should reflect in the resume? How it should reflect and all? Can you please guide us?
100%, the only barrier between you and the company, you in the sense, the interviewer and the company, is the resume. Resume is a two-word document which you want to sell yourself. It
Yes.
should represent yourself, nothing. The interviewer won't see your face. Interviewer won't see your whatever your physical appearance, and
Correct.
everything will speak. The resume will speak. The only resume will speak. It should be
Correct.
very clean, perfect. But being a final year or a third year guy, better to add your project.
Yeah,
Project,
right.
100%. Your project. If you are into final year, if even though your university won't ask you to do any project, better to do your own project in your own technology. Whatever may be the technology, you should be very keen that your project, first, the thing is that education qualification, everyone will write. The whatever your family background it is there, whatever you come to this, whatever your hobby, enough, more than enough. But the resume here is very useful. Better to write your project, whatever may be the project, either it is a small project or a big project, either it is in a C program, in a Java program, either it is whatever it may be, whatever the technology you are using that, better to mention your project. It only that if you mention your project details in your resume, the total questionnaire by a interviewer will be around that project only.
Yeah,
By
correct.
seeing your education qualification, oh, you studied here, oh, your hobbies are that, it won't be useful them. The only useful thing in the resume is your project. If you
Yes,
are
yes.
done with your project, you can write to. If you are not done with your project, better to go with a project, and better to represent at least 10, at least 5 to 10 words about your project and using the technology.
Correct. So now I just hand over to the students, all of you students. You can please unmute and switch on your video and then ask questions to Bhargav sir. Any one of you, no problem.
Good evening, sir. My name is
Yes.
Anusha.
Hi.
I am from second year. I'm a second year CST student from SSN College of Engineering.
SSN.
Yes, Chennai.
Yeah, great.
Sir, my doubt is I have heard from many people saying that you have to do many internships and other courses and all to have a good resume. Is it actually important to do
Whatever I told you, that is that project. When you need to specify a project in your resume. For that reason, you want to do that internship. It's 100% needed. Why? Because being a company interviewer, he will see your resume and say that you had worked for somewhere. You have a clean knowledge on company. You have a company exposure. So my option for one, two, three guys who is having some experience, who had done some project in a company is more preferable than other. Then it is only preferable than our. Even though you had not done any internship outside the company, if you had done a project of your own with a good technology and in-depth knowledge, it is more weightage than an internship. The only thing is that you should have that much skill.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how to get an internship, sir? Like guys, like these people, how to get an internship?
Sir, all the lot of companies are based on their branches. A lot of companies are offering their internships. Sir.
Oh,
Internshala, lot of sites are there. www.internshala.com, interns. Lot of companies are there. I will definitely, some of you guys, if you want some specific company interviews, I will definitely provide you. I will be in touch with
oh, sure. Any others?
Sir, how much GPA is required for good package, sir, in job? How much GPA is required, sir?
you. How
GPA.
much?
GPA.
GPA, sir. GPA.
So he's asking about aggregate, sir, in the marks rather for the
Ah,
companies.
yes, yes. 70 above to 100 is equal. You should have 71. Same weightage. 99.99 is same weightage. That's it. 70 is minimum.
Yes, Kartikeya, introduce yourself and what you're studying, and then you can ask the question.
Good evening, sir. I'm Manu Kartikeya. I completed my intermediate, sir. I'm going to join BTech, sir.
Yeah.
My doubt is how much does the internship jobs help us?
How much does?
Internship jobs.
Internship jobs. Now you can't, being a first year you can't do any internship, right? Being, if you had joined in engineering, if you had done a course of around 2 years, from third year you can start your internship program. Internship depends
Yes.
on internship depends on company. Some of the companies they may offer you 6 months. Some of the companies they may offer you 3 months, based upon the technology and based upon their requirement and based upon your feasibility. See, some unfortunately from JNTU, Anantapur or JNTU, Kakinada or JNTU, Hyderabad, our curriculum don't allow people to do internship in other companies. Unfortunately, we are not providing attendance for them. It's a big headache to the people. In Chennai and whatever in Bangalore colleges, they are offering internship. They are giving their attendance, but unfortunately in Andhra, our universities are not in a position to provide the attendance. Unfortunately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this internship will help in getting good placements in a fourth year, sir.
Yes, definitely what I told you that internship project will definitely help you in interview. If you had specified your internship program or internship project in your resume, the interviewer will definitely go into that only.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
It gives a sign to the interview that you have some exposure towards the company and towards the technology.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Then,
Yeah, any others? Yeah, Srinita.
Yes, good evening, sir. I'm Shanita. I just wanted to know which is better, like cloud computing or data structures, or else data science.
a good question is that all the cloud, data structure, data science, all the technologies having the same weightage. The thing is that it is based on their company requirement. Some of the
Okay.
companies, they will definitely see people with only cloud computing. Some of the companies, they will definitely see people with data structure. But you should have a common basic knowledge on all the technologies, and you should have a good command on any one of the technology. It is 100% sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any others?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, Ganesh.
sir, this is Ganesh, sir. I'm currently pursuing my third year EC in BITS Pilani, Hyderabad, sir.
Great.
So previously you told us that the resume is an important document for us, sir. So
Yeah.
basically, I wanted to ask, what are the important things that we have to emphasize in our resume so that it would catch the eye of the interviewer?
Rest of all the things, whatever I told you, that your 10th percentage, inter percentage, your family background, and your languages know, everyone will write them. But if you want to be a different, or if you want to have some specific identification, you need to definitely mention your project, your internship or a project. Then only you will be identified separately. Once the interview went through your resume, if he has seen that you have done some project or some internship, he have 100%, he will have a good sight in his mind that you have done something, you know something. That's it.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, any others? Monish, you have any question? Himasri?
And sir,
Yes.
Yeah.
like being an ECE student, which one is more better, like related to CSE jobs, like cloud computing, such ones?
Being an ECE student, you should be very keen in any one of the technology. Whatever the computer guys are having all the basic knowledge, you should have some depth knowledge in any one of the technologies. It's up to you. It's up to you. But whenever you have selected your subject or your own subject, you should be very keen that you have some depth knowledge on it. Definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, there are few students from triple E background, also from very premier colleges. So what are the skill sets that they need to upgrade in order to crack an IT interview?
Sir, coming to triple E candidates, I am definitely stressing them. They should have basic knowledge of their English. The first thing is that I don't think if they are from a good college, they have much skills, much communication skills. It's not a big issue. But what I told for the ECE guys, the same thing. The triple guys who are interested to go with the software jobs, they should have the basic knowledge of computers, whatever basic knowledge of Java and what. But one thing is that they should be very clear on their one subject, whatever it may be, whatever it's a cloud or whatever it may be, data structures. What he should be with depth knowledge of that thing. That's more than being a fresher. Every company will definitely look his skills, overall skills, not in-depth skills of any knowledge. That's
Any others? Lalita, you have any questions? Manish, Himasri? Just utilize this opportunity. Yes, Saujanya. Welcome.
Sir, my name is Saujanya. I am from Andhra University studying MCA. So my doubt is what sites we need to follow to know about off-campus recruitment.
what sites you need to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My suggestion is that the off-campus interview notification will be done through online. You should be in touch with all the WhatsApp groups, all the professional WhatsApp groups you have. You should be in touch. Nowadays, even TCS itself is organizing a WhatsApp group with all the top HRs, and we are one of them. Fortunately, TCS had already introduced a WhatsApp group stating all their requirements are posted in their WhatsApp group. We are sharing them. We are sharing them actually. Better to be in touch. You should be globally open to all the sources. Definitely, even the job portal site. The first major thing is job portal site. The second thing is that better to once in a day, better to go with the website, www.tcs website, because the first notification release will be posted in a website. Go to website, go for that career. Definitely. Wherever, whatever the company, even small companies also, they are posting their first options in their career site, then they will go for the next option. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any others? Himasri, Pujita. Sir, I'm asking them on their behalf. Like say,
Yeah.
that deemed universities also have good opportunities, sir? Does deemed universities like equal opportunities to the regular universities, or how the placement process would be and how it will be, sir? Can you please clarify on that particular?
Definitely. What I told earlier is that The total scenario changed from 2019. Even deemed universities, regular universities, private engineering colleges, affiliated engineering college, all the people who are having that much of skills are definitely have the same weightage. It's the total placement pattern was given to online.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Equal opportunities to all. Even the affiliated colleges have the same opportunities. Even the universities have the same opportunities.
Oh. Any others?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Pujita pursuing MCA third year Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
when the companies are interviewing the students of CSE and ECE backgrounds, what will be the difference, sir?
what will be the difference in the sense what the people whatever you are very clear that how the interviewer pattern difference from a CSC and DCA guys, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But in being an interviewer, he don't have that much idea. He don't have a perfect mind that you are from CSC, he is from EC, he is from EEE. He don't have that much keen in your branches. He just need a guy with perfect skills. Only skills are represented, not the branches. Again and again telling them, only skills are represented, not branches. If you are from, even though if you are from a CSC department, you are not in a position to crack the questions, you are out. Even though if you are from a EEE department, you are having that much skills to crack the code or crack the interviewer questions, you are in. That's it. No branch is having that separate weightage. 100%.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any others? Omar, Pranav? Yeah, yes, Pranati, welcome.
Hi, sir. I am Pranati. I just completed my +2. Electronic communication and AI technology is nowadays being more focused. So, will it be helpful for us to take the course in BTech, sir?
What is that?
Electronic
Some
communication and
disturbances are there, Pujita, sorry.
Pranati, a little bit disturbance is there. Can you please mute the other things and can you please ask the question?
Sir?
Yeah, Manu Karthikeya.
Sir, as a beginner, how to start our career so that we could continue the same pace till we get the jobs, sir?
As a beginner, how you start your what I told you that as a beginner you should have keen knowledge how the interview pattern is from day one. From first year onwards you should know how the interviews happen. First, what I told you that what are the basic things in a written test, a group discussion. A group discussion is it should be needed. If a company guy wants to filter you guys not only with your technical skills but also with your
Sir, not able to hear you yet, sir.
yes.
Yeah, now I am able to. Yes.
Great. Yeah. Great. And you should be specifically, you should have that knowledge on all the things what I told you that if you want to crack an interview, you should definitely possess the knowledge on aptitude, knowledge on English, knowledge on communication, knowledge on technical and all the things. Being a fresher,
okay,
being a beginner, the same thing. Yeah.
Pranati, now you
Thank
can
you, sir.
You were asking something, Pranati? Yeah.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
100% audible.
Yeah, I just completed my +2, sir.
Okay.
Nowadays, electronic communication with artificial intelligence is very focused, right?
Yes.
Is it helpful for us to take the course in BTech?
Yes, definitely, definitely. You are very blessed to have that artificial from this year onwards, artificial intelligence, some cyber securities. These are all a part of engineering branches. Before, since last year only, CSE, ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil, agriculture, some few branches are there. You are very fortunate that from this time onwards, artificial intelligence, cyber security, some robotics, even in ECE, robotics branch was introduced as a engineering subject. You know that?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, if you want to be separate focused on artificial intelligence, it is better to go with the artificial intelligence subject itself. Artificial intelligence branch itself, you can opt. It's better.
But many people are saying that you just take up the engineering now, like CSE or something. After the job, you can do it as a specification, they're saying.
No. But the people now, right now, the people, they don't have that clear exposure about all these branches, because if you want to be specifically into the artificial intelligence, better to go with the artificial intelligence from the first year itself as a branch. Better.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there is a question asked by one of the student. He has typed in the chat box. He's asking me that in the computer science itself, there are many branches. Which branch is best in CSC? Because many top colleges like, see some premier colleges like VIT, Amrita and all, they have got some specialization in computer branches. So which branch is the best one rather to choose for, in fact, rather go?
Sir, again and again telling that these people are entering into their engineering courses in the year 2020. They may be out from their courses from the year 2024. The technologies may different.
Yes, exactly.
Even these technologies, we can't assure that they may survive for 4 years. But the thing is that whatever may be the branch, whatever may be the thing, don't be specifical on your branches. Better to have a keen idea on all the latest technologies and latest updates.
Yes.
We can't assure them, sir. I am again and again telling, we can't assure them this. Nowadays, cloud is there. It is there, very rising now. But unfortunately, these people, once they finish their course, they may took around 2024. We can't assure them that cloud may still long there till 20. We can't assure them.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Yeah. Any other questions from any one of you?
Sir, TCS Ninja is notification is not released yet. So is that released soon or not? Because of this pandemic situation, somebody saying some companies are not going to hire new people like that. They are saying, is that really true, sir?
Sir, not yet. Yes. Now it's audible. Sir.
Now audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, definitely this is a good question from her. This is definitely perfect question. TCS 1 week back they released a notification for 10,000 fresher engineers. Do you saw that? I think I will definitely share with you, sir. TCS recently they had posted a their job requirement with 10,000 recruitment of freshers. It's 100% there. Don't ever go with the perceptions of the people. It is not correct. 100% fresher recruitment is there. It is evergreen. It is 100% is there for all the companies. Even what I told you is that rather than hiring an experienced people with 3 lakhs of salary, nowadays companies are recruiting people 10 members with a same equivalent salary of that experienced guy. So your opportunities due to COVID increased 10 times. 100% correct.
Sir, one
Got
question
it?
from their side, sir. Yeah. One question from their side, sir. Like, say, how is it that, see, I've seen, of course, not in this group. I'm thankful that. So there is another set of people who majorly depend on consultants, and they go behind them. Some of them will definitely get trolled, or rather they get rather drowned, or they get cheated, or some of the consultants are very perfect. Is it better to get a job via consultant through any, what we call in computer terminology as backdoor or something of that kind, or is it that they need to go for an off-campus thing of kind?
Super question.
Yes.
I am not degrading the consultancy, any consultancy. I am clear. The thing is that consultancies are different. Cheating the people are different.
Yes,
fine. Consultancies, some of the major companies like Google, they won't hire people directly with their recruitments. They have a third party partner called Roper. Like Qualcomm, you know Qualcomm. Qualcomm, you won't hire any people directly. They go with Collabora. Consultants are different. Better, I am telling that no I am for all the people who are there in the session, and if you want to share them also, no consultant will ask for prior money. It is 100% true. Go with the consultant. I don't bother about going with the consultant. Go with the consultant. Share your resume with the consultant.
Not yet, sir.
Now?
Now perfect.
Great. Consultants, I am not at all degrading the consultants. Consultants are different. Third party people are different. But no good consultancy will ask you for money at the primary stages. It is 100% true. Consultants will charge you 1 month salary once you join. This is a true consultancy. I am not at all blaming the consultant. Give me some 50,000, 1 lakh, I will give you a job. I will get you a job. It is 100%, 200% fake. 200% fake.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
100% boss. It's 100. Consultants are different. Charging, they may charge because they are the third party vendor. They may charge, but at the starting point, no consultant will ask for money in lakhs or thousands. A minimum of 5,000 would be there because they need to show as he is your candidate, it is there. Some 5,000 will be there. It is true and it is a genuine consultant.
Exactly. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Beautiful information that you've given us. Any others?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, how will be the trends in job placements in the coming 2 to 3 years, sir? In the coming couple of years, how the trend in job placement would change?
Like what is trying to ask us, like post-COVID.
Post-COVID.
Yeah.
I definitely say there are not much difference in job placements post-COVID. The things will remain same. The things will remain same with more opportunities to the fresher, as lot of companies are laying off their senior employees whose salary is more than 3 to 4 lakhs. They may be a burden to their company. So fresher is always fresher. Freshers recruitment is always a freshers recruitment. They may double. They won't decrease. My 100% assurance.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any others? Lalita, Himasri, you can also actively participate because we have this golden opportunity. Yes.
Good evening, sir. Myself Lakshmi Dharsha, and I have just completed my +2. I have heard from a few people talking about startup. So, what is the meaning of startup and how is it useful?
Startup, you want to join with a startup company, or your question is that you want to join with a startup company, or you want to start a startup company? What is your question?
I wanted to know what is the meaning of it.
Startup is a company. TCS, CTS, Vachusa, Sintel, these are well established companies. Startup, the name in the sense itself, it is small company. It's a new launched small company is a startup company. Whatever it may be, a startup company is always a startup company. A newly launched company is a startup company. Are you clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, one question from my side.
Yeah.
Sir, by completing the one technology, how we have to practice, sir? By completing the one technology or language.
Like what she is asking is like, yes, sir. Like she has completed Java from me. So how to practice and how to get an interview? Get into an interview.
Learning Java from professionals like Chandrabhanu sir is good thing. But the thing is that once you had learned your Java, better to go with the question paper. It's a different task. You learn Java, that's a different. But while coming into the real-time experience, you want to practice it. Practice it. You are practicing it twice, thrice. You may get some doubt. People like Chandrabhanu will definitely help you in practicing the things. You are done with the course is different. Done with the practicing is 100% different. People like Chandrabhanu sir will definitely help you while coming to real-time experience. Go with the question. If you are done Java with R, right? Go with the question papers related to Java. Recent question papers related to Java in MNC companies. You will definitely get the question. Better to solve by your own. You are solving your questions by your own. It seems that you have done your practice 100%. Still you have some doubts with the questions. You may go with your boss and he will definitely will let you know all the queries. Practicing is different. Learning is different. My 100% vote for only practicing. Real-time practice is 100% important rather than learning the technology.
Correct. Exactly. Thank you, sir. On behalf of Pujita. Ganesh, you unmuted it.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. I would like to extend the previous question regarding the startup, sir. So, will it be good to be placed in a startup company and build up ourselves, or will it be better to be placed in a well-organized company and learn there?
Good question. Startup company, in the name itself, it will say in a startup company, you have a scope of learning lot of things. Your knowledge, your exposure towards the technology will be exposed to more extent. I will give you an example. When I had established a company with 3 people, all the 3 people will share major work. If I have a company with 30 people, then the sharing of work will be shared to all the 30 people. Sharing a work with 3 people is different. Sharing a work with 30 people is different. But sharing a work with 3 people, each and every people know what the other people is doing. Means you have a perfect, what we can say, it's a perfect keen knowledge on what the thing is totally happening in a company. By being a startup, being an employee in a startup organization, you will definitely know end-to-end process of each and everything. If you are placed in an MNC, you will be confined to certain extent and confined to certain technology only. But getting placed in MNC is always safe. Startups, but I am not degrading the startups. But if your work will be, you can learn a lot of things, but your work levels will be thrice increased compared to that of a MNC company.
Yes, sir.
You need
That's
to
great.
focus more.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Last question from my side, sir. Sir, which website is good for for practicing equal to hacker rank, sir?
Which site is good for?
Website, sir. Which website is equal to hacker rank, sir, for practicing purpose?
It's a different question. All the websites have the same weightage. You want to, what is her question, sir? Hack?
Sir, Hacker Rank is a site which is used for interviews, no, sir. So, is
Yeah.
there any other synonymous site exactly like Hacker Rank, which will be, because Hacker Rank will be a bit difficult. That's what my intention is for these
No.
guys.
Being a basic thing is that India Big is the same relevant. You can definitely find all the questions in India Big, latest questions with answers. Better to
Yes,
go
sir,
with
thank you.
India Big one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Shreya, you have any questions? Shreya? Yeah, Saujanya is asking another question.
Sir, if one student is good at perfect at one language, is that really necessary to learn all other languages instead of learning one language perfectly?
Good question. What I told you earlier is that if you are very keen in one language, you need to do a project related to that and you need to showcase it in your resume so that interviewer knows that you are very in-depth knowledge of that technology. But when an interviewer is having different, what we can, a technology, the total technology from your thing and the interviewer is different, he may go with the basics of another, but the only thing is that you should be perfect in one technology 100% and you should have a basic knowledge on all other latest technologies is best always. If you are very keen that you are good at data structures, you should mention it in the resume stating that you had done a project on data structure so that the interviewer will directly go into that and he will definitely questions on the same technology, diverting the attention of an interview.
Yeah.
Diverting the interview towards your technology is mention the project on your resume.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any others from your side? Shreya, Monish, Pranati, Omar. Sir, another small request is, like, say, many of them who have completed their final year students, they would like to have more, like, say, off-campus information and all from you. Will you kindly please help them in getting the things, rather, like, say, off-campus informations and all the other things?
Sir, one thing I will do, sir. I will definitely, I was associated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
I am audible now? Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. The thing is that I am in associated with all the HRs globally and nationally. I am regularly getting the notifications from all these HRs. Whenever I am getting them, I will definitely post.
Definitely, sir. So with your permission, I'll share your number to all those who have attended our webinar today.
No issues, but WhatsApp is best. Whatever they feel better to text me in the WhatsApp only, but I can't able to answer all the, even though I am attending the webinar today, I got around 18 to 20 calls now. I'm just, I'm just rejecting them, unfortunately. Sorry for that. Please feel to ask me through WhatsApp. I will definitely, whatever may be the question, whatever may be the thing, I will definitely answer to all the people.
Sure, sir. Really wonderful that you had been here since 1.5 hours, and it's our very pleasure to have.
I think unfortunately my call log is interrupting regularly. Unfortunately, no issues. Even in Sunday also the same thing may happen. No issues.
Yeah. So any one of you, because I just would like to take a call from Bhargav sir. Any one of you, if you want, you can just ask, or else otherwise we shall take a call, and we should really thank him for joining our webinar today, because it was really wonderful and very interactive for us all rather to have it. So definitely, since he has given us an opportunity, I'll share, and I'll definitely share your number, but please don't call him. Rather, you can just contact him through WhatsApp, or even you can just post me the resumes to me, or I'll just forward it to him, whoever requires the thing, basically. Sir, just with one call, I've been honored and really privileged that you are here today for our seminar or webinar, rather, what we
My
have.
pleasure. It's my pleasure actually. I am very happy to interact with more number of students. I am open to all. My intention is that I have some knowledge on placements. I want to share definitely to all the people. It's my intention. My intention is that to help the people in getting the jobs. I am very proud to say that I have been placed around 10,000 students since all these years. I am very blessed to say this.
Yes, excellent, sir. Wonderful, wonderful. We know that, and so very helpful and very thankful. It was very helpful and very informative for us all on this Sunday evening, a very special Sunday evening for us all. So thank you on behalf of all of our students for joining this webinar, sir. Extremely happy to see you and answering all our questions very patiently. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir. See you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, whether today exam is there or tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be sending you mostly. Definitely, I'll just send you after an hour.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,